It's gonna
be a lot of ass shots.
Yeah.
Your ass is gonna be permanently on YouTube, boy. I'm posting that separately on Facebook.
As we say in Initial D's group, lonely driver boys.
You're right.
We're lonely drivers. Yeah, we only need the inside of it, so make sure it's nice.
And also, I have an extension cord if we need to plug in that light, that bigger one.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah. We'll see when that one turns off, if it turns off.
It will turn off eventually. It stays on for a while.
I got you.
Probably 10 minutes tops, but
Alright.
it's not very we can get away with it.
Where did you order these?
Amazon.
These are just straight off Amazon?
Oh, it was like one of the providers off Amazon, yeah. It's like, huh.
And like specifically for this car, that's fine.
Yeah, well, I think they do like a bunch of different like designs. This one
I got
is.
you.
Like,
I mean, it's as easy as a vinyl cutter, I suppose.
Yeah, it's like vinyl. It's supposed to be vinyl.
Yeah, you want the bottom one.
And they say to wet it so you can move it around.
They said to wet it so you can move it around. Yes.
Yeah, in case you don't mess up the first time. So.
Yes.
Because otherwise you could just spray right on there and go. You know, you're good to go.
Right.
Just can't do it like that. Don't put too much on there because you know people always put too much and you're dealing with like. That's good.
Yeah.
And then just.
This is why this kit sends you two. In case you mess up, there is more.
This is where it gets tricky right here, trying to line it up.
Yeah.
Right.
Here, do you want another hand?
Yeah, this is where it gets helpful.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So push a side down and I'll hold it.
I want to try to get it in that hole there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
These things try to work from the center. Temporarily form. Get on here, you piece of crap. Just
So
for now, this is temporary. It's not perfect, permanent.
this is just to kind of see what it looks like.
Ignore the
I don't know.
bubbles
I
and
think
stuff.
that looks so good.
I think it does too. Ignore
And
the
this
bubbles.
is how it normally looks like. So
Yeah.
obviously a dramatic difference, but again, we're completely blacking out these lights for the most part.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what I would do, turn on your turn signal just
Yeah.
to see what it looks like.
Yeah, I was gonna do it once we got outside, but we'll grab it.
Yeah, but I would just so that if you know you don't want to put it on and find out it just scares too much. See both. The only thing is the shine, the glow is less. This is very obviously like look on you can see on my phone screen.
Yeah, it's
Like here, just take a
not
look.
as much.
Yeah, take a look at my screen when you see this.
Yeah.
It's a dramatic difference, but
In person,
it doesn't.
In person, it doesn't look nearly as like crazy.
Yeah.
That just kind of like blinds you a little more, but the intensity of the color is still about the same.
Yeah, it looks good this way.
This is still very visible. Like
Yes,
if you're
it
in
is.
traffic, like you're not gonna miss that.
Right. Take it back off.
Okay, it's just
Yeah. So this
It's
is
very
where I would
tricky.
use the card.
this is where it gets tricky. Yeah, getting the bubbles out.
Yeah. Here
I remember I tried
to
doing one-
extra light.
Yeah, go ahead and grab one of those things. This is
Here.
where I had trouble. I tried putting a screen protector on my inside one. I wasn't just throwing it away because there's too many air bubbles on it. Yeah, see, I'm actually a little off right now. If you look, a little off. See?
Yeah, it needs to be just a bit higher.
See, this is what I was talking about. They went to put the water one so you can actually move it around a little bit.
Right. Towel.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get like a really small towel over here.
And you just like almost thinner.
You know what? I could probably even get you. The only problem.
Oh, hang on. No, we're good.
Yeah.
Let me just get some light.
You mean at the same time too? If
Here,
we're on,
can you shine the light in a different angle?
I guess.
Like down here, like where I'm standing.
Like at the same
Here,
time.
take a look at that. That looks good.
Yeah, because at the same time. Oh, look at that! There's a hang off right there.
Here's a tip. Here's a tip for the masses. Open your trunk, and it makes it so that
Oh,
you can...
look at that! There's a perfect line. You can even fold it if you want to crease it to cut it off too. I'll put this back on here.
This blade might actually be exactly what I want.
Well, because I see the idea you're going for, so you can kind of just like run it along the sides with the square.
Right.
It's already tidy on these, right? I don't even remember.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, check that out.
Oh, I didn't even look. Oh, nice, perfect, literally
Yeah.
perfect.
See?
We'll use that one for going forward.
If I have my tools, I know what I'm doing.
We'll do that one going forward. Then.
Yes.
So we can leave these in here for now.
So basically, we smoothed it out best we could. There's one tiny little bubble, but if you're not looking for it, you're not finding it.
And like I said, if it winds up becoming a problem, I have a spare kit, so I can always just
And
rip it
so
off.
we took that knife there, that flat. It's an X-Acto knife, but it's completely squared off. And I basically cut from the top down with the trunk open, and got a perfect cut right along the edge. And honestly, that was a lot easier than I expected that to be.
Yes. So as you guys see, I got it on there. Gonna just take this and I'm gonna just try to flatten it out nice and smooth. Get as much of it as I can. I think I got it first time, guys.
I think you did.
I think I got it
There
first time.
is-
A tiny little, like there's a little
Yeah,
one
there's little bubbles
right
up top
there.
that I can see.
Yeah, but
clearly when I
we
look
can
at
get
it.
them out of there. Yeah, but I think we got it first time.
Yeah, look, it sure looks like it. It actually looks like it's better placed than the first one.
There's a little bit here and there, and if you here's the thing, they say you can heat this up. If you're being really picky, I could like try to heat that and get like that little bit, but
It's
I'm not going through that
yeah.
bull crap. Okay, there's a bubble right here. Let me open this up, try to get it there.
Now this can be done with one person. It's just easier with two.
'Cause he gives me-
helpful to have someone like me who does stickering.
Yeah, that's one of the
And
reasons I'm like,
can-
oh, this would be helpful. You'd be nice
And my,
to do.
my knife skills are,
All right.
are unparalleled, my friends.
All right, knife man, you're up.
All right, Trade, you
Yeah.
hold on to. Oh, you're gonna have to hold on the other side. You're blocking my camera.
I know, I'm just grabbing it.
Yeah, I know.
Relax.
All right.
Knife man, you're
So.
up.
All right.
Good. Oh, that's nice and sharp too. Nice.
And voila,
Look at that.
one cut and it's perfect.
That was painless.
Yeah.
The other one up close. You'll be able to see them actually side by side.
Right.
Nice thing
That
is,
really looks good.
yeah, honestly, it's even hard to tell that you can't see the other one. But once you get closer, you know what I mean.
I mean, once you get closer, you can tell it's more
This
reflective.
will be darker, but this is pretty dark as is.
This is translucent.
This
That's
is
transparent.
this is pretty dark as is. But once we put the other one on there,
right.
it'll
We
be better.
definitely should. I think.
No, we should. We'll put one on and see how it looks. But that actually looks better than I thought it was going to, just with this, because there's already a lot of black in there.
Right.
You know what I mean? We'll see how it looks when the one's on there. You know.
Right. Yeah. So looking at it, it basically has the reverse light. You can see it in person. You can't. It's not really showing.
But thankfully, because of the other part, you're still
but
a lot of
compared
black
to
there.
over here, I mean it's a dramatic difference.
Mm-hmm. So, just
Now, I
like,
will say, flip your reverse lights on.
yeah.
Let's see how it looks.
Can I do that without having the car on?
Probably not.
You know what? Let me just open the
To
garage.
get it out of park.
Yeah, let me just open the garage so you're not getting choked out here by carbon monoxide.
That's what I want.
Where are you and your suicide jokes?
Choke me, Senpai Stinger.
You on?
Yeah. It reduces so much glare. It looks good.
It still looks good?
Yeah.
So...
Just a little tip we discovered almost the hard way. If you're wiping off the light, make sure you don't go and swoop across the part you just tinted, because you will find that it might peel back up.
yeah, give it at least a couple hours to dry, they said. So.
Yeah. So
It's going to be this one.
just
right
keep
here.
that in mind. You don't want to have that all nice in place and then all of a sudden you got air bubbles because you accidentally brushed it back up.